This video guide will help you to remove the browser hijacking extension that is called multisearches.com. Multisearches is the unwanted browser extension that attacks Google Chrome browser and other Chromium-based browsers. This extension actually is spread through several misleading pop-ups. They may tell you that your Chrome requires update, but when people mistakenly agree with that proposal and install this fake update, actually this unwanted browser extension is installed. And when you start submitting certain search queries, you may eventually get the results by Bing. So it was not your choice to use Bing, it was the choice of this extension to make you use Bing without asking your opinion. So I recommend you to remove this extension as soon as you can by accessing the menu More Tools, Extensions, disable this extension and remove it completely from your Google Chrome. I would also recommend that you thoroughly investigate your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and then begin thoroughly researching and investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.